what's up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time since I've recorded some videos. I'm not gonna make any promises, so here I am doing my best, and I'm going to attempt to do the butterfly braids. Have I ever done butterfly braids in my hair? No. I've done the butterfly locks, but I've never done butterfly braids, and I don't even know what I'm gonna do here because my hair is so exhausting to do. But I need a style that I don't have to mess with my hair for at least a week, 2 weeks. So I'm going to attempt the butterfly braids. Usually when I see the style, it's like with people with like relaxed hair or like hair that's pressed out, and this is a lot of poof, and I'm not pressing it out, I'm not blow drying it. So I'm going to probably do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do like 5 braids going back, and I want them to be like V, V, V. So I'm gonna part my hair and get this done. This is what it's looking like. And I'm gonna part it. Here we go. So thanks to Instagram and searching hairstyles, I was able to find this hairstyle, and I have seen it. Oh, True wants to say hi. Oh, yeah, hi, True. Okay, so I found this hairstyle, and I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I could definitely try it. I'm using the smoking edge control. I went ahead and I applied it to my hair before I braided it, just so that I could get a nice sleek look. And I really tried, you guys. I really tried making this style look kind of like the styles I saw on Instagram, but I just got really irritated because the hair. So I'm going to show you later on in the video the type of hair that I used. The hair that I used, it kept tangling, and at first I didn't put enough hair, and then I added more hair, and then it tangled even more. So I don't know, maybe if I try this style on somebody else, it would be easier for me to do. But I guess because I was so tired already with trying to like braid my hair. So this is what my hair ended up looking like, and I'm so glad I braided it back, because now I could just throw on a wig, because that's what I ended up doing, guys. I'm just letting y'all know ahead of time, that's what I ended up doing. So that's the Ghana twist hair that I used. So when I was installing it in my hair, it felt really soft. It felt like it wouldn't tangle up like this. But then when I started braiding it, it was just a disaster. So I ended up taking out the hair and throwing it in the trash. And I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want to waste a pack of hair. I don't want to waste the entire pack of hair attempting this style. So I pretty much just attempted this one braid. And now looking back, I probably should have continued, because when I look at the Instagram videos, some of them actually looked like this, you know? They were kind of frizzy and fuzzy, and I think like that's probably how the style kind of looks. It is a little frizzy, and maybe I didn't do too bad, but I don't know. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Be sure to thumbs me up if you feel like I did a good attempt, that I got a B, a C, or A for attempting this. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I really did try, and I think I'll try again, but probably it'll be easier, like I said, to do it in someone else's hair. Okay guys, enjoy the video, and I'll try to upload some more videos for you guys to watch. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video of my attempt. Appreciate you so so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and check out my other videos that I have posted on here. I have so much stuff. Yeah, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. So when I got to the end, that's when I realized that I did not use enough hair because I didn't have enough hair to cover the ends. So I went ahead and loosed this out and added some more hair afterwards just to kind of see what that would look like. But look, it actually did not turn out too bad, right? I don't think I want to keep going. Yeah, I don't think I want to keep going. I don't know. It's giving fuzzy. It's giving, it's not gonna last a week. It's giving, I'm gonna take it out. It's giving, I'm gonna waste a pack of braids. So I'm going to attempt to put more hair in the section and see if that's going to make it look better and less fuzzy. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not quitting just yet. Look. Stop coming out right, you guys. Stop coming out right. It's not right. Not coming out right. Yeah, that's fine. She didn't post anything. I can see the potential, but okay, I'm done. Gonna try again some other time because this tangle mess is a no for me. I'm not gonna waste my time anymore. So